Yo.
Welcome back to the Point Reyes National Seashore. And it is a windy but beautiful day here today.
Yeah, pretty out.
And I'm showing Ryan this place that I've come a few times before. But we're hoping to see some elephant seals bathing in the sun and some nature.
Hopefully. That's what we're here for.
So
keep my fingers crossed. So yeah, I don't know.
over here, the sign says Elephant Seal Lookout Historic Lifeboat Station. So we're gonna head down there first.
Going to the light.
Here's a nice park residence. I wouldn't mind staying there on a rainy night.
Yeah.
Very nice. The color of the water is pretty nice out here too. It's like turquoise.
Yeah.
Down where we're going on this path is one of the first lifeboat quick launch places that was built. Because off the coast of this Point Reyes, a lot of vessels have had accidents and sank or had issues in storms back in the it goes back 200 years is history of accidents here.
Oh yeah, look at that.
So down this path here,
Little path.
there's last time I went down here,
Probably check yourself.
yeah, when we get after, yeah.
Especially because your socks are short. I can see your skin in there.
Yeah, they're like, well, at least it's not the mosquitoes.
Yeah.
Look, something carnivorous was eating here. A bone.
Oh yeah, there's a bone.
Let's see if there's any seals down here.
I get down.
No seals today. Well, the way I went down before is that path over there.
Probably get down right here too.
Yeah, you could. I'm not me.
Check it out.
Well, we could go around. If you want to go down there, we could.
That's sketch.
No, the road we were on goes down there to that other building.
Okay.
Now these trees have been recently trimmed. Look at the sap coming out there.
Yeah.
And the moss way up high. That's pretty cool. One of them must have fallen or something. It smells good. It's like pine.
It does, yeah. It's nice.
I think these are pine trees. Those pine cones. So check out this tree. This tree is a beast.
It'll be fun to climb.
Hundreds of years old, for sure.
Yeah. Got multiple trunks. Oh, that one's thick.
Yeah, for a pine tree, that's one happy tree.
Ice plant.
The invading ice plant.
That's so cool. Hold on.
Look at the water being super clear. What?
You can literally see the color transition in the water.
Yeah.
From, greenish to blue.
It gets deep pretty fast. Look at that. It's like...
Yeah. Wow.
There's a flock of pelicans. I think they call it a flock. Or seagulls are a flock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pick a side.
Oh, lucky stick.
You want the big one or the small one?
I'll take the small one.
All right.
Oh,
It was
lost the lucky bit.
It was rigged from the start.
So we walked down here right next to the lifeboat historic launching house. and we come across all these seals just chilling. And they're like really... Yeah.
Oh, big yawn. Big yawn. I feel that.
They don't seem to care about us. Hey, buddy. He's trying to go join his friends. There's 2 of them, 3 of them.
Oh my God.
The life of a seal. They're like the cats of the sea. However, great white sharks seem to enjoy eating them.
Definitely do.
So that's probably why they're in here.
They're protected over here, I think.
Yeah. So they're just kind of swimming under the dock. They're all the way over there now.
Yeah. Wow. They're everywhere. Down in the ocean. There's so many.
Do you see a bunch?
Yeah. If you look hard enough, you can see like 4 or 5 different like little heads popping out of the water.
Oh, wow. You have better eyes than me. I can't see any. I see a lot of seaweed. I think you guys have itches. I think he itches on the... Really?
There's 10 of them. He's got snot coming out. God, I want to pet him. No, I can't.
Yeah, they don't want you.
I want to pet them. They look so pettable.
They do. And they probably are.
They're really docile. Oh my God.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
It's definitely peaceful out here. And I was just reading this building here. It was built in 1927. The signs are all corroded though because of the fog and the moisture. Ah, there's another seal coming to say hello. Hi, buddy. I'm sure he's going under now. We must stay kind of close to shore to keep away from the sharks that are out there. He's trying to figure out how to get around. He's waiting for a high tide. Oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. 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 He's like, you guys are weird. Keep away from me. Keep away from me.
Yeah. On June 17th, 1579, Francis Drake landed on these shores and took possession of the country, calling it Nova Albion. Nova Albion dedicated.
June 17th.
1950, Yerba Buena, Chapter E. Clampus Victus.
So, when he says took, from Indians probably.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
And they don't, he's smiling, but they're not smiling.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. I think it has the right.
Little hobbit forest here. Going down to the other building. And it's kind of damp too.
It is, yeah.
I guess the fog drips on the trees. And seagulls cruising by.
Be a good road to mountain bike on.
You got to ride back up.
You can walk your bike up.
Yep. So we got down here and there's this old dock and an old beat up, I guess, kind of fishing style building, and then that's where we just were. And then a couple seals have been swimming by. And
They've been saying hello.
pelicans are in the air. But what a beautiful part of the world here in Point Reyes. And you can see there's like no one around.
Yeah. Yo!
Hello, thanks for coming with us today at the Point Reyes National Seashore, the end of the hook.
Yep.
And the seals were cool, and the
Absolutely
beach and the little bit we saw.
Nature was great. Seals were adorable.
We missed, Ryan didn't have a fun fact this time.
Not really. I couldn't really think of too much, but
But we'll see you on the next video.
yeah, have a good one.
Bye.
Like, subscribe, comment, all the good stuff. Have a good one.
Bye.